Good morning, my dear students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in De Moivre's theorem. Okay. Now the first one, so that one of the value of 1 plus sine pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. This is the students 1 plus sine pi by 8 I cos pi by 8. Now student, this can be written as 1 plus, this is cos of 90 minus pi by 8, cos of 90 minus theta sin theta. After that student, this can be written as I into sine of 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is the cos theta. So after that students, this can be written as 1 plus cos 2 4s are 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 8. This is also I sin 3 pi by 8. So now students, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is the 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is the students 2 cos square theta by 2. After then students, I into, this is 2 sin theta by 2 cos of theta by 2. What students? Sin A, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Which is the common is there? My dear students, 2 cos of 3 pi by 16 is the common. The remaining is cos of 3 pi by 16 plus I sin 3 pi by 16. Similarly, my dear students, similarly 1 plus sin of pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8. Similarly, we can find the value of 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus of I cos pi by 8 is the students. How can you write? This is 2 cos 3 pi by 16 cos of 3 pi by 16 minus I sin 3 pi by 16. So this is the students, we can written as cos of 3 pi by 16 cis 3 pi by 16. This is the students 2 cos 3 pi by 16 cis of minus 3 pi by 16. Now students, is there, what is there? 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 upon 1 plus sin of pi by 8 minus of I cos pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. This is the, these there students, 2 cos of 3 pi by 16 cis of 3 pi by 16 upon 2 cos of 3 pi by 16 cis of minus 3 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3. These two are cancelled. Cis A by cis B, cis of A plus B. What is the students? Cis A by cis B, cis of A plus B. This is cis of A plus B. Therefore 6 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3. Now this is the students cis of 2 3s are 2 8s are. This is the students 3 pi by 8. 2 3s are 2 8s are. Whole power students is there 8 by 3. Now here how to write the students? 3 values are there. This denominator is the cube root. Cube root is there. 3 values are there. But find the one of the value. That means students directly cis power n theta. That means cis n theta. Cis of CIS of n theta, that is 8 by 3 into 3 pi by 8. After that 8 cancel, 3 cancel. Now student, this is cis pi. Cis pi means, dear students, cos of pi plus I sin pi. The value of cos pi, the value of cos pi is the -1. The value of sin pi 0. The value of cos pi -1. The value of sin pi 0. 0 into I is the students 0. Now this is equal to minus of 1. Write down student, this is equal to -1. If n is a positive integer, so that 1 plus I whole power n plus 1 minus I whole power n is 2 power n plus 2 by 2 cos of n pi by 4. Therefore students, first we take 1 plus I. We have to know that the modulus is, first you can write this is in the polar form. So root of a square plus b square is 1 plus 1 is the students root 2. Therefore we are taking root 2 into root 2 by root 2. That is, we can take as root 2 cos pi by 4 I sin pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So students, 1 plus I whole power n. This is the students root 2 whole power n cos pi by 4 I sin pi by 4 whole power n. What is the students? Root 2 whole power n cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power n. This is 2 power root is the 1 by 2. This is n by 2. Now students, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. This is the students cos of n pi by 4 I sin n pi by 4. Similarly students, we can find out the value 1 minus I whole power n. The 1 minus I whole power n is the students 2 power n by 2 cos of n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. What is the students? The cos of n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4 minus of I sin of n pi by 4. So students, adding this 1 plus I whole power n 1 minus I whole power n. This is the students the 2 power n by 2 plus I sin n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4 are cancelled. Cos of n pi by 4 plus cos of n pi by 4 is the 2 cos of n pi by 4. This is the students the 2 power n by 2 plus 1 cos of n pi by 4 a power m into a power n a power m plus n. So student, this is 2 power n plus 2 by 2 cos of n pi by 4. What is the students? 2 power n plus 2 by 2 cos of n pi by 4. Okay students, this one. Okay. If n is a positive integer, so that p plus iq whole power n plus p minus iq whole power n equal to students 2 into p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n. Cos into 1 by n, arc means tan inverse of q by p. Now students, first we take p plus iq. First we can write p plus iq in the polar form. So students, that is root of p square plus q square, p by root of p square plus q square, I into q by root of p square plus q square. My dear students, how can you write this is p plus iq whole power 1 by n, p square plus q square under root whole power 1 by n. This is the students, first we take this is cos theta. This is the students I sin theta whole power 1 by n. On both sides we are taking power 1 by n. This will be take cos theta, this is sin theta. Therefore students, tan theta is the sin theta by cos theta. That is the q by p. What is the students? Tan theta is the sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is q by root of p square plus q square. Cos theta is p by root of q square plus p square. Tan theta is the sin theta by cos theta, that is q by p. Now students, this can be written as the p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n. Now this can be written as the students cos of 1 by n theta, I sin of 1 by n theta. What is the students? Cos of 1 by n into theta plus I sin of 1 by n into theta. So this is the theta equal to, what is the students? We can written as theta equal to tan inverse of q by p. The tan is sending other side, tan inverse. My dear students, this is the value of p plus iq whole power 1 by n. Now students, the similarly p minus iq whole power 1 by n, p minus iq whole power n by n, that is the students p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n cos of 1 by n theta minus I sin of 1 by n theta. So this is the students, how can you write? This is the students sum of these two are cancelled. What is the students? These two are cancelled. This will be take sum 1. This is the 2. Now we can written as the students 1 plus 2. That implies p plus iq whole power 1 by n. P minus of iq whole power 1 by n. This is the students, we can written as p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n plus I sin 1 by n theta minus I sin 1 by n theta cancel. Cos plus cos is the students 2 cos of 1 by n theta. What is the student? Cos plus cos is the 2 cos of 1 by n theta. So student, this is 2 into this one, 2 into p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n cos of 1 by n. What is theta? Is nothing but tan inverse of, tan inverse we can written as arc tan q by p. Now students, 1 by n, theta is the students arc tan of q by p. How to write the students? All of you listen here. First you can take p plus iq. We can modulus of p plus iq is the root of p square plus q square, that is into, and we are take divided by. This is the students cos theta, this is sin theta. Now tan theta is the student sin theta by cos theta, that is q by p. After that students, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is the students cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now students, we are taking minus between them. So this is 2. After that 1 plus 2, that implies p plus iq whole power 1 by n plus p minus iq whole power 1 by n. Plus I sin minus I sin cancel. Cos plus cos is the 2 cos p square plus q square whole power 1 by 2n. So students, theta is nothing but arc tan q by p. What is the student? Theta is the arctan of q by p. Okay students, find the all values of minus I whole power 1 by 6. Minus I can be written as 0 plus I into minus 1. So students, this is cos of minus pi by 2, cos 90 0, I sin of minus pi by 2, cos theta minus I sin theta, sin 90 is the 1, that is minus 1. So cos 90 plus I sin 90. Dear students, cos 90 0, sin 90 1, that is minus I. Dear students, this can be written as the cis of minus pi by 2. Now students, we can written as minus I power 1 by 6. The cis of 1 by 6 minus of pi by 2. How to write the student? This is cis power 1 by n theta, cis of 2k pi. This is the students cis of 2k pi minus pi by 2 upon n is the 6. My dear students, already I explained cis power 1 by n theta is cis of 2k pi plus theta by n. N is the 6. We know that, dear students, we know that cis of 1 by n theta is cis of 2k pi plus theta upon n. Cis of 2k pi plus theta upon n, where, my dear students, the k is the 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. This is the students we can written as cis of 2 2 jar is the 4k minus, what is the students, 2 into 2 4k minus 1, pi is the common, pi by 12. Cis of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12. So this is the students where k is the 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. N minus 1. Now students, minus 16 whole power 1 by 4. So first students, we can take an as first the 16 power 1 by 4 minus 1 power 1 by 4. So dear students, 16 we know that 4 power 2 power 4, 2 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Minus 1 is the students we can written as cos of pi plus I sin pi. What is the students? Cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is the minus 1, sin pi is the 0. Whole power 1 by 4. 2 power 4 is the students, 4 4 cancel, this is the 2. Now this is the students cis pi whole power 1 by 4. Cis pi whole power 1 by 4. This is the students, just we know that cis whole power 1 by n theta is cis of 2k pi plus theta, theta is the pi, upon n, n is the students 4, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, where k is the students 0, 1, 2, 3. After that students, we can written as 2 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. What is the students? Pi is the common. 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. Cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 4, where k is the 0, 1, 2, 3. After that students, similarly, the minus 32 whole power 1 by 5. This is the students 32 whole power 1 by 5 minus of whole power 1 by 5. This is the students 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Minus 1 is the students cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. So student, this is 2 into cis pi whole power 1 by 5. How to write the student? This is 2 into cis of 2k pi plus pi upon 5, where k equal to, what is the students, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that student, this is the 2 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. What is the student? Pi is the common, 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. This is the students 2 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. This is the 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. This is pi by 12. So first of all of you, cis of 2k pi nothing but 0 plus theta upon n. This is means find the all values of, it has 6 values, that's why we are taking here. So what is the k is up to n here, k equal to 6 is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, when 6 is there, up to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number of values are 6. Suppose here 4 is there up to 3, here 5 is there up to 4. Okay students, 1, 2, 3, 5 values are there. Substituting k 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 5 values. Okay students. So student, z equal to cis theta is given that. Cis theta means students cos theta plus I sin theta. Z power 2n is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n. Now student, this is cos of 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. What is the students? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 2n. Cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. After that student is there z power 2n plus 1 is there. First we find z power 2n plus 1. So that is the students plus 1 cos of 2n theta plus I sin of 2n theta. So student, this is 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is the students 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. 2n theta by 2 is the students n theta. After then sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, that is 2 sin a, 2 sin n theta cos of n theta. My dear students, this is 2 cos of n theta is the common. So students, we can written as here the cos of n theta plus I sin n theta. 2 cos of n theta is the common students. Cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So this is the value of students z power 2n plus 1. Now this can be written as 2 cos of n theta. My dear student, this is cis of n theta. After that students, we are taking the minus 1 on both sides. Z power 2n minus 1 is there. So how to write the students? We are taking minus 1. Is there here cos of 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta is there minus 1. Now student, the first and last is the common is minus. 1 minus cos of 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. So my dear student, this is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. How to write the students? 1 minus cos theta. We have to take minus term in the first and last terms. 1 minus cos theta is the students 2 sin square 2n theta by 2. That is n theta. After that students, I into sin 2a is the form 2 sin a cos a. That is 2 sin n theta cos of n theta. My dear students, what we observed students here is there 2 cos of, what is the student is there, 2 sin n theta is the common, is there, minus 2 sin n theta, 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta, 2 sin a cos a. So my dear students is there, I is the common, cos of n theta. Dear students, just we take I is the common, after that this is I into 2 sin of n theta, is there cos of n theta plus I. I into I is the students I square. I into I is the I square. Okay student, just we are taking I, that is cos n theta. I into I is the I square. I square is the students minus. 1 minute students. What we take here, 2 is also common. Sin n theta is the common. Sin into sin is the sin square. After then students, we are taking 2 sin n theta is the common, is there I cos n theta. Now students, we are taking the I is the common, I into cos n theta, cos n theta, I into I is the I square, this is sin of n theta. My dear students, I into 2 sin n theta, I into 2 sin n theta, this is the students cis of n theta, cis of n theta. This will be taken some 1. This is a 2. How to write the students? 1 by 2 can be written as z power 2n minus 1 by z power 2n plus 1. Z power 2n minus 1 is the students is there I into 2 sin n theta cos of cis of n theta. What is there students? I into 2 sin n theta cis n theta upon z power 2n plus 1 is the students 2 cos of n theta cis of n theta. These two are cancelled. After then I into sin by cos. Sin by cos is the students tan of n theta. I is the sin n theta by cos n theta, tan of n theta. My dear students, this is the tan of n theta. Okay students. So students, 1 comma omega square of the cube root of unity. Then prove that 1 upon 2 plus omega, 1 upon 1 plus 2 omega equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus omega. My dear students, we are taking the first LCM is 2 plus omega, 1 plus 2 omega. This is 1 plus 2 omega, 2 plus omega. This is the students. How can you write? This is 1 plus 2 omega, 2 plus omega. So students, 1 plus omega is there, 2 is the common, omega plus 1. First is there 1, last one is omega, 2 is the common, 1 plus omega. My dear students, first we have to multiply with 1, that is 2 plus omega. After that students, we have to multiply with 2 omega. 2 2s are is the students 4 omega. First you can multiply with 1, 2 plus omega, this is 4 omega. After that students, 2 omega square. Now students, 1 plus omega is the common. So 1 plus 2 is the students 3 into 1 plus omega. My dear students, this is we can written as 2 plus, this is the 5 omega 2 omega square. After that students, 3 into 1 plus omega upon 2 is the common, 1 plus omega square, this is 3 omega. So 2 1s are 2, 2 into omega square, 2 omega square, 2 omega plus 3 omega, 5 omega. So student, this can be written as 3 into 1 plus omega is the students, 1 plus omega is the, we know that 1 plus omega square is the 0. 1 plus omega is the minus of omega square. Okay students, minus of omega square. This is the students 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 omega. Now students, this is only we got minus of omega. 3 cancel, omega one time cancel. After then students, we have to show that this one. So minus of omega, 1 plus omega by 1 plus omega. This is the students, we can written as minus of omega into 1 omega, omega into omega square upon 1 plus omega. Omega plus omega square is the value minus 1. Omega plus omega square is the value minus 1. So student, this is minus of minus 1 by 1 plus omega. This is 1 upon 1 plus omega. What is the students? 1 by minus of minus plus 1, that is 1 upon 1 plus omega. This is the students RHS, right hand side. Now students, some more questions are there. Dear students, all of you complete. Prove that. The second question is the students, the second one is there. Prove that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole power 6 equal to 128. After then students, third one, prove that a plus b. My dear students, a plus b into a omega plus b omega square. After then students, a omega square plus b omega equal to students a cube plus b cube. Now fourth one is the students, prove that x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z into x plus y omega z omega square, y omega z omega square into, dear students, x plus y omega square z omega equal to students x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay students, so after then students, all of you complete these models. After then students, the fifth one is prove that the students a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube and a omega b omega square, a omega b omega square whole cube plus a omega square b omega, a omega square b omega whole cube equal to 3 into a cube plus b cube. Okay students, all of you complete 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Okay students. Dear students, the tan of I into log of a minus ib upon a plus ib. So students, suppose we are all taking a plus ib, that is root of a square plus b square, a upon root of a square plus b square, I into b upon root of a square plus b square. This is the students we are taking, suppose r. This is cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the students cis theta, r into cis theta. So students, this is the tan of I into log of, is there a plus ib. Suppose a minus ib can be written as r into cis of minus theta. So how can you write? This is the students a minus ib r into cis of minus theta upon, this is the students r into cis theta. So we can written as the students tan I into logarithm of r cancel. This is the e power minus I theta, e power I theta, e power minus I theta. This is the e power cis theta is the e power I theta. So student, this can be written as tan of I into logarithm of cis A into cis B, sorry students, a power m by a power m minus n, e power minus I theta minus I theta minus 2I theta. After then students, we can written as the tan of 2I into I minus of 2I into I is the I square. I into I is the I square. I square is the minus, 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 plus. That is the students. How can you write? This is the 2I square theta. What you can written as the students is there log of E. Log a power m is the m log a. M log a, that is minus 2I square theta log E. So dear students, the tan of I square value is the minus 1. This is the 2 theta, log E is the 1. So students, we can take as cos theta this one, sin theta this one. What about the tan theta students? Sin theta by cos theta, a plus ib, that is the student b by a. We can written as b by a. So students, tan 2 theta, everybody know that 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is the student 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This is the students 2 tan theta. Tan theta is the b by a upon 1 minus b square by a square. This is the students, we can taken as 2b by a into a square by a square minus b square. One time a cancel. This is the students, we can written as 2ab by a square minus b square. What is the students? This is the value. This is completely 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is the 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So student, this is 2ab by a square minus b square. Okay students. Okay students, this is today. All of you practice these models. Okay students, thank you all.